super late. I need to get going to the track, but I'm super late. But I'm always super late. I forgot my helmet. Oh my god.
Here we go. I've always thought you were a cutie. This is for you, bud.
Thank you.
It's,
What happened?
it's day 2. Kevin Burke went off through the S's. He's stuck in mud.
For real?
Yeah.
What?
Stuck. Sent it.
Getting in trouble by track security. This guy's the coolest right here. Coolest guy in the whole world. Almost the whole world. Definitely North America.
No.
South America?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Coolest guy in South America for sure. On the left, on the left. My steed ready to go. Oh, shoot.
Súbete a mi moto.
Oh, okay, go, go. There we go. Oh, we're gonna hit people. Oh my god. Super dangerous. Definitely try this at home. Highly recommended.
Yeah.
The guy's totally looking at us. He's like, what? What is you doing?
Oh no, baby, what is he doing?
Word on the street is
That's
this man right here, we're about to interview him, is responsible for the shutdown of this track.
I'm responsible? You got the wrong guy, it wasn't me. Might have been Dustin DeCero. He's driving the Janky Black S2000 called Mamba. Has a couple leaks here and there. Might want to go check out that car.
This is Dustin DeCero.
On the outlap.
Say hi, Dustin DeCero.
How's it going? Look at the
Chinchilla
chinchilla.
Say hi to our vlog viewers.
This is live vlogging.
All 30.
Live vlogging.
All 30.
All 30 of them.
Send it.
Send it.
Gonna send it.
Finally made it home. It's 9 o'clock at night. And look what I get into, this awesome fish tank that I was working on yesterday. Finally completed. My sister.
Thanks to me.
Thanks to her.
Creator.
Look at this thing. It's like out of the movies.